What's going on, traders? You know who this is, Stockafella back at it. I want to do a quick recap today, how I made $2,000 trading in bed with a simple strategy. Not that hard, you guys. Let's talk about it, you guys. CLVS, let me take you to a daily chart. I didn't trade it on Thinkorswim, you guys. They didn't have no shares to short, but I traded it somewhere else. So let me show you the P&L real fast. Oops. $2,059. Took a little loss on I think it was Netflix. Let me see. Oh yeah, Netflix. It was only like I held 20 from yesterday, 20 shares overnight, but I made like a couple $100 yesterday on it. But anyways, $2,059 on this trade with this simple trade, you guys. Red day. Let me show you guys what my strategy was on this one. This is, a lot of people ask me, I post this on the group and Facebook and stuff. A lot of people always ask me, what's your strategy? What's your strategy? My whole strategy is mostly reading the tape and then level 2. And most of the strategy is, yeah, I do look at the charts, yes, but I'm working off the tape all day long. Like, I'm working off the tape. So on this strategy, once I seen this, I shorted this yesterday. Actually, like, I think it was like $6,000 I made it this week on this one. Plus today, so like $8,000 on the week overall. If you guys remember back, I alerted CLVS on my last alert at $3 and something. It reached a high of like $20 almost, $17, you guys. This is where I alerted it, like $3 somewhere right here. If you go back to my videos, yeah, actually let me show you guys. Right here. Look at 2 months ago, you guys. 30 cents when volume came in. Wind it. Guys, remember my last alert, you guys? MEDF went up 35%. The one at SNNA before that, you guys watched my videos. That one I alerted at, I think it was 10 cents. Then it hit smack like 20, 30 cents when volume came in, you guys. Then you remember my other one, 100%, you guys. So, like, I've been good on my alerts lately. Not trying to brag. Do your own due diligence, you guys, because I'm getting them up, you guys. I'm already in this. Look at this CLVS, you guys, right? I'm already in this. CLVS. When was I alerting this, you guys? $3.06. Everybody was alerting it after like $10 and $12, and on Twitter, oh, we alerted this last week at 12. I alerted this, you guys, at $3. I don't want to brag, but I alerted this at $3. That's just the truth. You could go back and see. And this, look at that perfect swing trade. Look at that perfect swing trade, you guys. Look at that perfect swing trade from $3 till $17. Crazy. So I took a little advantage of that. I didn't ride this all the way up, you guys. I was trading it here and there, here and there. I held it for like a couple days, made like a couple thousand. But then when I seen it top off, I took advantage of this and I took advantage of that. So today's chart, it was a simple trend going all the way down, you guys. I made $2,000 in bed, in my pajamas, following this simple trend line, you guys. When I seen this resistance, this form right here this morning, I'm gonna take you to the other chart because it has VWAP on it. Let me show you guys VWAP and the trend. Okay, when I seen this chart this morning, look at the volume that came in. Look at all these shorts attack, you guys. Like 200,000 shares try to crack the 10. They couldn't do it. Buyers came back in. Buyers came back in on the volume. Let me make the volume bigger. Buyers came back in, but you could tell it was not even half, you could say, a third of the selling volume. Okay, so I peeped that. So when you guys peep that, okay, you're gonna see there's a lot of sellers. Some buyers came in, try to push it back up. Let's see how far they could get it. Once they get it to here, it made a new support right here. So I was like, okay, we got a double bottom right here. We got a new support. This is where I took it, you guys. The reason why I didn't take it, I put a starter position on just to get started, just in case it didn't make it all the way back to the trend line. Now, if you go back even, if you put this on, let's say you put this like on hourly chart or something. You can't see it on the 4 hour. Let's say you put it on 10 day. Like you guys can see this the whole day on a 5-minute chart. Like 1, 2, the whole trend down. But I'm not gonna lie, I was scared, you guys. All you have to do on this type of trade is, like I was saying, you make a trend line, right? Trend line is what? 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. You see it hold. And then as soon as you see that every time it can't crack the trend, especially when it cracked VWAP right here, this is where I started adding on my position. Added on right here. I think I was taking off here a little when it couldn't crack 1150. And when it finally cracked 1150, you guys, this is where I added on like 1,000 shares. And then covered into the let me make this bigger. When I covered into here, when it cracks 1150 right here, when it cracks 1150 right here, you guys, this is where the huge selling volume came in. And this is where I added on my short, and I covered most of my profits here. And then over here, I held maybe 200-300 shares. Once I seen that it couldn't get past 1150, which old support became new resistance, and this topping tail candle with this wick on it came in. This is where I added on again. And this is where I covered the rest of my position, held maybe a few hundred shares, and I covered the rest at the end of the close, you guys. So profit on that trade was $2,059, you guys. And you guys know I've been trading for a while. I don't want to make it seem easy, but it is a little difficult once you get started. But after you've been in this for a while, you start seeing the things happen. You start noticing, like, I get a lot of people asking me, what's your strategy? There's just a lot of tape reading and a lot of level 2. I usually, I pay attention to the chart, yes, because that's like the main picture and everything. But I'm usually trading off the tape on level 2. Which, like, the best way to learn that is just watch over and over. When we're trading, you guys, we're trading each other. We're trading people's thoughts, people's, like, energy. So, like, if I believe the stock's going higher, if do they believe, look at right here, where's the big money at? The big money is with the sellers. So you always want to be on the side of the big money. So, okay, let's see if big money wants to take it down. Okay, we're going to go ride it with big money. Big money wants to take it up. We're going to go with big money. People call them smart money, you know, because they're basically controlling it, you guys. We're passive traders, so we're not moving the market. We're depending on other people to move the market for us. So you want to be on the side of the people who could move the market. Remember, you guys, these stocks don't move on their own. People are moving these stocks. You want to be on the side of the smart money or the big money. That's why I watch level 2 and times and sales, to watch what the big money is doing. And another thing, you guys, before I get the hell up out of here, I got a couple students now doing sessions. If you guys are interested in mentor sessions, only got a couple spots available. Hit me up, mytradecoach23@gmail.com. Questions, please leave in the comments. You guys seen my alerts? Check out all my alerts, you guys. I only put there's a lot of alerts I don't put on, but CLVS, that was like, I don't want to say too easy, but that was like a gimme pattern. That was like, and then they spiked it up. They got FDA approval, and they got this. I didn't think it was gonna go all the way to 17, but hey, it's the market, you guys. Anything could happen. Remember our motto, you guys. Plan and trade the plan. See you on the next one. Peace out.